Ipakilala mo na kayo one by one.
Mabuhay Laguna! I'm Jimmy Alcala from the City of San Pablo.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Daryl Dion Galino from City of Santa Rosa.
Hello everyone, this is Kyla Ashley Vega from Binian City.
Okay, ito naman ay quick question, quick fire round, short but funny lang. Heels o sneakers?
Heels.
Why?
Why? Because it gives me a confidence, and that confidence is my foundation that leads me to change and stand firm in my values even when no one is watching. Thank you.
Okay. Crown o sash muna?
For me, it's crown.
Why?
The reason why I'm here is to win the crown, and win the crown, I can assure you that that crown is a crown with a purpose. So for now, I'm still eyeing for the crown because every one of us can have this sash, but not every one of us can wear the crown. Thank you.
Okay. So, heto naman for you. Rampahan o Q&A?
For me, rampahan sapagkat dun po kasi mas na-enhance ang isang babae or isang candidate. And with that, kapag po marunong ka o magaling ka rumampa, lahat mo na po, mapapractice mo na po yung
Okay. So, last question na to. Introvert sa labas, extrovert sa stage.
For me po, extrovert sa stage. Kasi paano mo mapapakita yung confidence mo if introvert ka, if hindi ka naalis sa safe place mo.
Wow. So, heto naman, si Kuya. Kung may manligaw o magpakilig sa backstage, paano ka magre-react?
The reason why I'm smiling is because I'm really thankful that they was able to appreciate my personality and how I look. And with that's the reason why I'm smiling.
Okay. Team serious candidate ka ba o team makulit candidate?
Of course, Team Makulit, because it is important that we enjoy every moment as the official candidate of the company, because this is once in a lifetime that we will happen to us. Yeah.
Okay. Invite them to your coronation night and your social media accounts.
I want you to invite and support us in our coronation night on March 20 at the Anilag Festival Stage. And please do follow me on my social media account, which is Ashley Corvez Vega. That's all.
Okay. Kuya, go na. The coronation night and your social media accounts.
I invite you all to watch the coronation night this coming March 20 in Laguna Capitol in Santa Cruz, Laguna. And kindly please follow my social media accounts, Daryl Dion De Castro Ogalino for Facebook, and for my Instagram, that is Daryl Dion Ogalino, and for my TikTok account, that is also Daryl Dion Ogalino.
Okay.
Hello Laguna, inaanyayahan po kayo na manood sa darating na lakanat na kampini ng Laguna 2026 Anilag Festival Level Up sa darating na March 20 sa Festival Ground Santa Cruz, Laguna. And ini-invite ko rin po kayo na i-follow po ang aking FB account, Jimmy Alcala. Thank you po!
Okay, sabay-sabay ang wave. Okay, good luck on your pageant journey.